Hi friends, in previous class we have covered exercise 1.3 first bit. So in today's class we will see second bit. Okay, you see what is the question they are given. Without performing division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal form or non-terminating repeating decimal form. This is the question. That means we should not do actual division process, but we have to tell whether that particular rational number is terminating or non-terminating. Okay, you see first question. Okay, what they are given, 13 by 3125. Okay, 13 by 3125 they are given. Okay, so now without doing actual division, can we say this particular rational number which is in the form of p by q is a terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating decimal? How? Yes, yesterday I have already told you. Okay, so regarding this, suppose 3125 is there. If somehow if you are able to write denominator in terms of 2 power n into 5 power n, this denominator should be written in terms of 2 power n into 5 power m. Either any one of them is also okay. Okay, if somehow we are able to write, then it is a terminating decimal. Otherwise it is not a terminating decimal. That's it. Okay, now we will try. So somehow 3125. Okay, 3125 is there. So try to do LCM in 5 table. 5 6 are, okay, 5 2s are, 5 5s are. So similarly again in 5 table. Okay, again you do in 5 table. 5 125s are, again 5, how much? 5 25s are, 5 5s are. So 3125 we can able to write 1 2 3 4 5 cube, right? So therefore 13 by 3125 we can able to write 13 by 5 power 5. Okay, 13 by 5 power 5. That means we are able, this one can be written as 2 power 0. Okay, now you see denominator is in the form of 2 power 0 into 5 power 5. That means 2 power n into 5 power m. So this particular rational number is a terminating decimal. Therefore it is a terminating decimal. Why? Because we are able to write in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. So that's why it is a terminating decimal. If we are unable to write, then it is not a terminating decimal. That's it, very simple. Okay, so all problems are like this only. Suppose you see second one, what they are asking, 11 by 12. Can we able to write 12? So second one is there, 11 by 12. So first step, what you are going to think, just you have to think this 12. 12 means what? 2 2 6 are, 2 3s are. So denominator it is coming as 2 square into 3. So 11 by 2 square into 3. So we are unable to write denominator in the form of 2 power something into 5 power something. Here 3 is there. So that's why this 11 by 12 is not a terminating decimal. It is a non-terminating decimal. Okay, it is a non-terminating decimal. Clear? So first step it is non-terminating decimal. Why? Because you already came to know that denominator we are unable to write in the form of 2 power something into 5 power something. So that's why it is a non-terminating decimal. Okay, non-terminating decimal. Okay, it's fine. It is not a terminating decimal. It is a non-terminating decimal. But whether it is non-terminating non-repeating or non-terminating repeating, we have to find that. For that you have to do division. Okay, for that you have to do division, just like what you have done before, just normal division. 11 by 12 means what? So 12. Okay, here you can do normal division. So 0 point, right? 110. 12 how much? 12 nines are 108. 12 nines are 108, right? So how much this one? 2. This one will be 0. This one is going to be 0. Suppose if I take 20 ones are, okay, 12 means how much? 8 80. 12 6 are 72, right? 12 7 are 84. So I will take 6 are 72. Again you are going to get 80. Okay, 80 means again what you will get? 12 6 are 72. again you are going to get 80. That means 0.916 is repeating continuously from here. That means it is a non-terminating repeating decimal, because 6 is getting repeated now. So that's why it is a non-terminating only. We got non-terminating decimal, but it is a repeating decimal. So overall what you have to write? It is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay. So whenever it is a terminating decimal, you will stop here only. But whenever it is a non-terminating decimal, again you have to check whether it is a repeating decimal or just non-repeating decimal. Okay, these are the two conditions you have to keep in mind. That's it. With this second bit you can easily do. All problems are same. So this I will leave as an exercise for you in the next problems. Okay, so simply now you see this one, 64 by 455 is there, third bit. Okay, 64 by 455 is there. So simply what you will do, first step is what? Can we able to write this denominator in terms of 2 power n into 5 power m or not? That you have to check. So how you are going to check this? You have to do in rough. Okay, 4 power 5 in 5 table. 5 9s are 45, 5 1s are right, 39, 91 you are getting. 91 you can't write in the 5 multiples, right? Similarly in terms of 2 multiples also you cannot write. So denominator we are getting 5 into 91. This 5 into 91 which is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n. So that's why we are unable to write denominator in the form in the 2 power n into 5 power m format. So that's why it is a non-terminating decimal. Okay, it is a non-terminating decimal. Here again same thing, non-terminating decimal. But non-terminating repeating decimal or non-terminating non-repeating decimal, that you have to find. Okay, this is going to be just like this, just the process what I have did here, same like that you have to do for this. You will get non-terminating repeating decimal only. This one also same thing, non-terminating repeating decimal only. Okay, so fifth one you see, fifth one what they are given, fifth one they given 290 by 243. So 243, can we write 243 in terms of 2 multiples or 5 multiples? No, right? We cannot write in terms of 2 multiples or 5 multiples, because here 3 is there. In 5 table it will not divide, in 2 table also it will not divide. So simply it is a directly you can write, which it is we cannot write, we can't write. Okay, for every question you have to write these things. We can't express, okay, we can't express the denominator, okay, that is 243 in terms of 2 power m into 5 power n. So the given rational number 29 by 243 is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay, is a non-terminating non-repeating decimal it will come. So non-terminating decimal, simply I am writing non-terminating decimal. Okay, are you able to, this from here to here, this thing you have to write in every question. Okay, in remaining questions I am telling directly, but you have to include this statement in every question. In exam also you have to include this statement. Okay, then only you will get full marks. Clear? Like that. So every question you have to follow same process. So sixth one you see, sixth one they given 23 into 2 power 2 cube into 5 square. So here 23 divided by 2 cube into 5 square, directly it is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n or not. Then it is a terminating decimal or not. So direct question, it is a terminating decimal. Okay, next you see 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th you have to try. Okay, please try these questions. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.